Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Okay, okay, everybody in, but this time not many in yet. Never mind, we start our class. Okay, let's start our class with the recitation of Kitab Al-Fatihah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Okay, as usual, we recite a dua, this time by Ustaz Said Dawood. Tafadhal Ustaz.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم نور بالكتاب أبصارنا واشرح به صدورنا وصحح به أبداننا وأطلق به ألسنتنا وقوي به جناننا وأسرع به فهمنا وقوي به عزائمنا بحولك وقوتك فإنه لا حول ولا قوة إلا بك يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم استودعناك ما علمتناه فاردده إلينا عند حاجتنا إليه ولا تنسناه يا رب العالمين. صلى الله عليه وسلم على نبينا محمد وعلى صحبه أجمعين.
Amin ya rabbal alamin. Shukran Ustaz
عفوا.
Said Dawood. أنت عربي؟
أنا كنت في السعودية. I was in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, mashallah. Now I can learn Arabic from you. So we continue from what we did. We did the assignment, transportation and assignment. This was the question we were dealing with. And this is what we did last class. I think everybody remember. And then we try to move. We try to move this. So we already move. So it is shown here. So we are going to check whether this is optimal or not. How to do that? So as usual, we are going to find U, I, V, J. Can we continue? Brothers, sisters, are you already? Nobody's responded. We do U, I, V, J. Or you completed already? Brother, sister, you completed doing this one?
Yeah, okay.
You already completed? Or can we continue together? Or you do not need this? Okay, just, okay, we do together. Yeah, sister? You have different opinion. Okay, we just continue. Just my duty. You are going to find U1, U2, U3, and V1, V2, V3, V4. How to do that? How to do that? Can we remember? U1 plus V1. We look at this one. U basic cell U1 plus V1 equals 28. U1 plus V2 equals 23. U2 plus V1 equals 15. U2 plus V3 equals 20. U2 plus V4 equals 25. Are you following? Yes. U3 plus V4 equals 14. Now we are going to find U1, U2, U3, V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, as usual, in normal practice, U1 equals 0. If U1 is 0, can we get V1? If U1 is 0, can we get V1? Why you have mood raya already? 28, V2, 23. No, V1. You know V1. Can we get V2? Sorry, we know V1. V1 is known. Now we can get U2. What's U2? 28 minus 15. What's 28 minus 15? 13. Now you know U2. Can we get V3? 7. V3 is 7. Can we get, we know V3. Can we get V3? V4, can we get V4? You know U2, V4. $14. Where's V4? 14 minus. Anybody there? Is it right?
2.
Is it correct? 1. The answer V. Okay. U3. 14 minus V4. 13. Right? Now U1 is 0. U2 is, this is negative 13. Forgotten. U2 is negative 13. I think everything is wrong.
Doctor, isn't V4 supposed to be 2?
Which one? I think everything wrong because of this one. Let's redo this one. Which one you mentioned, sister? Okay, let's do again. Now we know we know U1 is 0, right? So V1 is 28, V2 is 23. We know V2 is 23. Can we find U2? U2 should be negative 12. Yeah, sister says 12, right? Yes, no? Do you say 12, sister? This one.
I think it's negative 13.
Negative 13. It was right. So negative 13. Negative 13. Negative 13, 15. 15 minus U2, V1. Negative 13, correct? Now V3. You know U2. Can we get V3?
33.
Again?
33.
2, 3.
33.
3, 3. Then U3. Can we get a V4? Yeah, you cannot. U3, you know V3, you know V2. Can we get V4? 38, right?
Yes.
38. And then U3 is negative something. 14
-24.
to 4. So now we put here negative. This one is easy, but the close path is the challenging part. I'm not sure about you all. So we do here 28, V1 is 28, V2 is 23, V3 is 33, V4 is 38. I want you all to do this until complete. Now, what's the next thing? Find improvement index. Find improvement index at the here the non-basic cells. For let's use this one. 36 minus 0 minus 33. What do you get? Plus
3.
plus 3. Positive 3. And then the next one. 24 minus 0 minus 38.
Minus 14.
Minus 14. And here, 35 minus 13. Sorry, 35 minus negative 13 minus 23. 48 minus
25.
25, positive 25. Okay, here, 28 minus 24, 52 minus 28, 24, right? I assume this is right. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, here, 21 minus 24, 45 minus 23, 21 minus negative 24 minus 23,
22.
22, 22, here, 16 minus negative 24 become 40 minus 33,
7.
7. Let's make a circle. 7. Okay, now what do we do next? What are we going to do? We look at the most negative improvement index. Okay, at this point, is it optimal or not now? Is it optimal? Looking at the improvement index. To be optimal is the condition to be optimal. To be optimal, optimality is when Eij for all of them greater or equal to 0. In this case, is it optimal or not?
No.
No.
No. Why? We had one of this disturb you, right? So we are going to draw closed path. So it start from the most negative improvement index. We are going to add some quantity here. We're going to add. And then we are going to decide where is the path, the closed path. Start from here, say clockwise. Can we just go down? Go down, cannot. From non-basic to basic. Here, can we come here? Is it possible? possible. But can we come back here? Cannot close. From here to here also possible, but we cannot close. Well, how about from here to here? Then we bypass this 400, move to this one. Is it likely we can close back? Can come back here and then close. Remember, it start from non-basic cell. This is non-basic cell to basic, basic, and then close. Agree?
Yes.
Yes. So let's put the thing, draw the close path from here to here. Then put negative sign alternately, and then here. What sign should I put here? Plus,
Positive.
minus, or positive. Sister said positive. Positive. Then move up. Negative, positive.
Negative.
Negative alternately. Then close back. Now, the next step is how many units are we going to shift? 40, 350.
40.
So we look at the negative, choose the lowest, 40. We are going to deduct, take 40 from 40. Add 40, or add 40 to 170. Take 40 from 350. Add 40 to nothing. So what are we going to do? We are going to put here 40, here nothing. Okay, let's do it. 40. We are going to write this in the new 40. Let me use red color again. Here, 40. And then here, nothing. Nothing. Okay. We are shifting this. Here, 40. Here, nothing. Here, we take in this cell, we add 40 to 170. What do you get? 210. Right, 210 in your new tableau. 210. Look back. Take 40 from 350. Sorry, yeah, take 40 from 350. What do you get?
310.
310.
310. Okay, let's write down 310. 310. So total still 520. And then the others not affected. Like here 250 not affected. This one not affected. Not affected, remain the same. 250, 400, 340 remain the same. 250. 250. 100. Is it right?
200.
400. And then 340 down here. 340. Okay, we want to know whether this is optimal or not. What should we do? The same thing. We are going to write down the find out U and V. U, I, V, J. Now on your own, can you do? U1 plus V1 equals 28. U1 plus V2 equals 23. U1 plus V4. Am I too fast? Am I too fast? Are you following? Yes, I hear somebody
Yes.
say yes. Okay, good. Now U2 plus V1 equals 15. U2 plus V3 equals 20. U3 plus V4 equals 14. The same thing, we are going to find U1, U2, U3. If you do not want to do this one, you can straight away write here, inside here. It is also okay. You want to save time, but for illustration purpose, I do step by step. Then we are going to find V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, normal practice. U1 equal 0. U1 is 0. V1 is 28. If U1 is 0, V2 is 23. Then again, we can get V4 from here. If U1 is 0, V4 is 24. You can have V4 here. 24. Now we know V1. Can we find VU2?
Yes, negative
Yes.
13.
Negative 13. Negative 13. U3,
33.
33. V3, U2 is 13. Become 33 also. What is V3? Yeah, V3, we know U2. U2 is negative 13. Become 43. Right? V3 is 43. Okay, U1 is 0. U2 negative 13. I think something not right. Is U3 33?
No, U3 negative 10.
Negative 10. U3 is negative 10. Then there are other calculation we have to check. U3 is negative 10. U3 related to V4.
P3 is 33.
Does it affect this one? Okay.
V4 still 24.
V4 no, I cannot undo. We have to rewrite. 24. It's 24. This one negative 10. How about V3?
33.
33.
33. 33. Okay, good. Now negative 10. I think this should be correct. Negative 10. 28. 23. 33. and 24. Okay, this one find improvement index. Okay, this one first, 36 minus 33. 36 minus 0 minus 33, 3. 35 minus negative 13 minus 23. Again, what number? 20. Cannot hear you well. 20, is it? 20. Is it right?
25.
25. 25. 25. 25 minus negative 13. 14. Minus 24. 14. Agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Here, 16 minus 10 minus 33. 26 minus 33 is 7. Negative 7.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, back. The C to 1. 10. 21 minus negative 10. 21 minus 23. Negative
8.
8, right? 8. Okay. Is it optimal or not? Optimal.
No.
Huh?
No.
So sad. So sad. We have to do one more time. Okay. Since not optimal, this is the exciting part. Where should we begin to do the closed path? Now we are going to draw closed path. Since not optimal, if not optimal, we are going to draw closed path. Where should we begin? We should start at the most
-7.
negative 7. Negative 7 is here. So we are going to put plus sign. Where's my cursor? Sorry, I'm searching for my cursor. Going to plus sign here. Now, which way are we going? Let's say still clockwise. Clockwise also can. You want to go that way, also can, doesn't matter. Here, cannot. Go up also can. Which way should do you like? Do you like go up here? From non-basic to basic. Or from here, to, from non-basic to basic. And then we cannot come here. We have to come up here. Or, okay, let's do this direction. From here to 400. Is it possible? Non-basic to basic. And then move here. This is non-basic. We move here to basic. Move up. Basic. Then from here, move here. Cannot close. We cannot come back here. Say we bypass 250. This one non-basic. We come here. Then move down. Close back. Is it possible? Okay, let's draw one by one. I think you guys, you are trying to figure out what I'm saying. Okay. We start from here, and then we draw close path in that direction, and put negative sign here. Then we draw another path, this direction. put plus sign, and then we draw another path going up. Here minus. Then we draw another path, bypass 250, move here, plus. Then we draw another path right down here, minus, and then close. Okay, I think this is the most suitable. Repeat from non-basic to basic to basic variable to basic variable to basic variable, basic variable, close. Right? Now, how many units are we going to shift? 310. Look at the negative. Negative, negative. We have 3 negative here. We have 340 here, 400 here, 310 here. Which one are we going to shift?
310.
310. 310. So we are going to write this in the next tableau. We are going to deduct, sorry, we are going to add 310 to nothing, deduct 310 from 400, add 310 to 210, deduct 310 from 310, add 310 to 40, deduct 310 to from 340. Okay, so the first 310 will disappear. So let's start from the bottom here. So this cell C3 will be 310. No, you write in your new tableau. C3 here, 310. Let me choose my pen first. $310 here, add nothing, 310 to nothing. We add 310 to nothing. We deduct 310 from 400. What do you get?
90.
90. Okay, you do one by one. You deduct 90. 90 here. And then we add 310 to 210. 500.
520.
520. 520. We write 520 here. 520 here. And then we deduct 310 from 310. Nothing left, right? Nothing. So it becomes nothing. We don't write anything. Here we don't write anything. 310. And here we add 310 to 40.
350.
350. 350 somewhere here. 350. And then somewhere here we take 310 from 340.
30.
30. 30, we write 30 here. 30. Then those not affected by the closed path, we have only one, 250. This is not affected by the closed path. So we retain that 250. Okay, I forgot to mention, every step you have to check n plus m minus 1. What is n plus m minus 1? M plus n minus 1. Number of origin. Okay. Number of origin plus number of destinations minus 1. What is the number of origin? 3 plus 4 minus 1. What do you get?
6.
6. Okay, now check the number of basic cells. How many do we get? How many basic cells?
6.
6.
6.
If it is 6, then okay, we can proceed. If not, then something, it will degenerate, degeneracy. Okay, the same thing. We do U1, U2, U3. I think this time I do quickly. Can I just do short? I just do straight away. 0. Just use here -6 to save time a little bit. -10. Here is 21. 23. Right, you already know how to find this. 26. 24. Now we want to know whether the solution is optimal or not. Let's look into the improvement index. Okay, the first one, here, A to 1. What is the improvement index? 28 minus 0 minus -1. Come on. 7, right?
Yes.
36 minus 0 minus 26.
10.
10. 35 minus -6, 41 minus 23.
18.
18. Then 25 minus -6 minus 24.
7.
7.
7. Okay. 28 minus -10 minus 21.
17.
17.
17. Now I am shivering. I
8.
hope. Sure. Not negative. 8. Right? Rather say
Yes.
8. Yes.
Yes.
What does this mean?
Optimal.
Optimal. Yeah. So the solution, of course, in exam, when they ask for solution, you have to say A to vendor 2, 250 units. A to vendor 4, 350 units. B to vendor 1, 520 units. Then B to vendor 3, 90 units. You have to, when this is state the solution, this is the solutions. And then C to vendor 3, 310 units. And then C to vendor 4, 30 units. Then you calculate the cost, total cost. Anybody want to try the total cost? How to get the total cost? 250 times 23 plus 350 times 24 plus 520 times 15 plus 90 times 20 plus 310 times 16 plus 30 times 14. Anybody try the calculator? Okay, you should get 29,130.
29,130.
130. So this will be the total cost. I'm not sure RM what or dollar. Okay, done one question. Let's have another one. Another one. This one. Pomelos are grown and picked and then stored in warehouses in Tapa, Bentung, and Maran. These warehouses supplies pomelos to markets in Penang, Ipoh, Kuantan, and Seremban. The following table shows the shipping cost per truck load in hundreds, supply, and also in demand. Then use northwest corner rule method, find the initial solution. Then using the information obtained in A, proceed to find the optimal solution using MODI and stepping stone method. Okay, we do up to B only. This one no need because we were done earlier. This one also we did it earlier. C and D we done in similar example. Okay, let's do this one. Can you help me what's the total supply here? Total supply. What's the total supply?
600.
600. What's the total demand? Total demand?
550.
550. What is your observation, brother? Any observation?
Supply is more than demand.
Supply is more. Supply is more than demand. Demand is more or supply is more?
Supply is more.
Supply is more. So what do we do? Any observation? Not balanced, right? This is not balanced
Create a
problem.
dummy.
Create a dummy. So what dummy? Dummy supply or dummy demand?
Dummy demand.
Dummy demand. Okay, now use your tableau number 2, Simplex tableau number 2. Something like this. I think you have something, the tableau number 2, you see there are 3 downwards, 3 by 5, 5 to the right. You have this one with you?
Yes.
Yes. So now we are going to do Tapa, Bentong, Maran, Penang, Ipoh, Kuantan, Seremban. Just now sister say put dummy. What dummy? Dummy demand, right? Dummy demand. So you put dummy here. And we put dummy, the cost will be 0. Okay. Okay, let's complete everything. Here is the supply, demand, and write down the cost. 14, 12, 17. Supply is 200. 11, 10, 6, 10, 270, 12, 8, 15, 7, then 130, demand 130, 170, 100, 150. What is my dummy demand? 60, right? 50 or 60?
50.
50, 50. Okay, we do the same. Maybe try to do a little bit shortcut. We are going to find U and V. U, I, V, J. Should we do step by step, or can we find a way of shortcut? Can I do shortcut? Sister, faster. Brother. You want 0, I do for you. I calculate for you. -4, -7. You can try on your own, but you have the idea to calculate anyway. Here is 9. V2 is 14. V3 is 10. V4 is 14. Is 7. Oh, I think I didn't do the right thing. We'll repeat this one. But you all didn't say anything. Okay, let's move back to the question. Use northwest corner rule. Find the initial solution. Use northwest corner rule. Northwest corner rule. Which one is the most northwest corner? Here, right? Somewhere here. How many units?
130.
130. Nice. 130. Then we do not need any more here. The next northwest is
70.
here. 70. 70. All 200 being used up. Yeah, so we do not need here. We do not here. I mean, that means we do not need from here. From here, the next northwest is here. That means we are left this one. Here, how many you need? 100.
Yes.
Say 100. Shafika say 100. 100. Now we don't need anything from here anymore. Enough. So we are left with this 4. So the next northwest corner is this side.
100.
100. We take all the 100. 100. And we do not need any more from here. So we are left with this 2. How many units here?
70.
70. 70. So we do not need any more from here. Right. Then here.
80.
80. 80. Here, the last one. 50. 50. Okay. This is the initial solution. Now we want to find the optimal solution. Before we find the optimal solution, we check n plus m minus 1. Here, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 5 minus 1. 3 origins plus 7. Now, how many basic cells do we have?
7.
7. If it is equal, then we can proceed. Otherwise, you get stuck. That means degenerate. So now find U, UI, find UI, VJ. UI, VJ. So now let's do quickly. I just do for you 0, -4, -7, 9, 14, 9, 14, 10, 14, 7. Okay, let's find the improvement index. Can we find the improvement index in this cell? 12 minus 0 minus 10.
2.
2. 2. The next cell,
3.
3. Then
-7.
-7. -7. Somewhere here. 15 minus 9.
6.
6.
6. And over here, 0 minus -4 minus 7. -2. Somewhere here,
Betul, -3.
-3. Yeah, -3. Thank you, sister. Here,
10.
10. Somewhere here,
1.
1. 15 minus 7.
12.
12.
Optimal or not?
No.
No. No, then what? We are going to draw close path. Let's draw close path. Where should we start?
-7.
-7. You start at the most negative improvement index. We start from here, -7. We are going to add some quantity. So let's just put plus sign first. We are going to add. Now we are going to draw the closed path. This time, whether you want to do, just now we do clockwise. Now can we try anti-clockwise? It is also okay. Okay, can we move to the left? Can we stop here?
No.
Here? No. Here?
Can?
Can. Here?
We can.
Can.
You also
Can.
can, but we cannot come down. Here we can then come down, right?
Mhm.
Then we can come here to basic cells, but we cannot come here to close. So we have to go round. Come here, go down, and then
Go
here, right, and then close. Okay, good. So now we are going to draw the closed path from here. Now we do anti-clockwise. From here to here. Then should I put plus or minus here?
minus,
minus. And then we go down. Now we do anti-clockwise. Plus, minus,
Plus.
plus. Then we go right here. Plus,
minus,
minus. Then we go down.
plus,
Plus. Then we go around again to the right.
minus,
Minus.
Minus. Then we go up and close. Okay, good. Now the next thing is we are going to shift this one. Now look at the negative 70. This is negative also 70, negative here 50. Now how many units are we going to move about?
Negative 50.
Negative 50. I mean 50, right? Not negative 50.
50.
From here, 50. So we are going to take 50 from 50, add 50 to nothing, take 50 from 70, add 50 to 100, take, deduct 50 from 70, or take, we play shortcut, take 50 from 70, add 50 to 80. Okay, we do this on the next slide. Here will become, somewhere here, become 50, here nothing. Okay. So this one become 50. Then at the bottom nothing. Somewhere here, we deduct 50 from 70. How much left?
20,
20. We do it down here. 20. Then somewhere here, we deduct, we add 50. Yeah, 150. You are right, sister. We add 50 to 100. So 150. 150. 150. Then here,
20,
20. So in your new tableau, write here 20. Then at the bottom,
130,
130. 130. 130. Okay, let's see those not affected by the line. So we have 170, sorry, 130, not affected. 100, not affected by the close path. So this one remain the same. 130, 100. 130, 100. 130, 100.
so ada satu lagi yang affected.
Ada?
There's another one that is affected besides 130.
This one. Here.
Zero and take 50.
Yeah. Yeah. We take all already. We take 50 from 50 from 50. So nothing. So we leave it. Not, we don't write zero. Zero means artificial flow. You get what I mean?
Yes, yes.
This is affected by the close path. This is not affected. This is not affected. This is affected by the close path. Okay. Now let's see whether optimal or not. Now I do find the U, the auxiliary index UI VJ. We don't do very detailed. So I do for you. Let's say 0, minus 4, minus 7. And then here is V1 is 9, 14, 10, 14.0. Let's say you have this information. Now we are going to find the improvement index to see whether it's optimal or not. Where's the improvement index at Tapah to Kuantan? Yeah. 12 minus 0 minus 10.
2.
2. Here, Tapah to Seremban.
3.
3. Bentung to Penang.
4.
6.
6. Okay, I take 6. Is it right? Then here, Bentung to Dami.
4.
4. Maran to Penang.
10.
10.
10. Marang to Ipoh.
1.
1.
1. Maran to Kuantan.
12.
12. Will it be optimal or not? Last one.
7.
7.
7. What does it mean?
Optimal.
Optimal. Yeah. This one 3 iteration. The first one 4 iterations. So you get the idea. So the solution, if you are asked to state the solution, it means Tapah to Penang 130, Tapah to Ipoh 20, Tapah to Dami 50, Bentong to Ipoh 150, Bentong to Kuantan 100, Bentong to Seremban 20, Maran to Seremban 130. Okay, which warehouse have extra supply?
Tapah.
Apa? By how many units?
50.
50. Good. Tapah have this one, 50 units. Supply to Dami. Dami is quite fictitious. So can Tapah supply to somebody else other than this Penang, Ipoh, Kuantan, Seremban?
Yes.
Yes. By how many units? 50 units. So then you calculate the cost, because you can calculate the cost, total cost, go to, well, you can do it. In this case, the answer should be 466,000. Try to do quickly. Okay, last one. Last one, I just do the initial one only. Okay, look into this one. Computers Unlimited sell microcomputers to universities and colleges on the East Coast and ships them from 3 distribution warehouses. The firm is able to supply the following numbers of microcomputers to the universities by the beginning of the academic year. So this is a US textbook. This is from the text. So here, distribution warehouse, Richmond, Atlanta, Washington, and this is the supply capacity. And then the demand by the universities, University of Tech, A&M, State, Central, these are the demand. And this is the shipping cost, the shipping and installation cost per microcomputer from each distributor to each university are given here below. Find the initial solution using Vogel approximation method, and then solve using Modi method. Okay, what is your observation here? Any observation?
Supply not equal to demand.
Good. Supply not equal to demand. What does this mean?
Demand is higher.
Demand is higher. Yeah, that means unbalanced, right? This is unbalanced. Demand is higher than supply. So it's unbalanced. If now demand is higher, supply is less. So what do?
We need supply dummy.
Create supply dummy or dummy supply. Okay. Now use your next tableau. I think you have this one, this format. 4 by 4 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third tableau, 4 by 4. Okay, let's just set it up. Now the supply from Richmond, Atlanta, Washington. And here, I think I put 1, 2, 3, 4 better. Supply from supply number 1, number 2, number 3. Demand A, B, C, D. The cost 22, 17, 30, 18, 15, 35, 20, 25. 28, 21, 16, 14. Here supply, demand. What do we do just now? Add dummy supply, right, sister?
Yes.
Dummy supply, put dummy here. Dummy supply, what's the cost for dummy supply?
0.
0, 0, 0, 0. So the total supply here is 420, 610, 340. Then the demand will be 520, 250, 400, 380. Now dummy supply
180.
180. Okay. I think for illustration purpose for now, I think you can try on the Vogel's approximation method. What's VAM? How do we do? Take penalty, right? Remember penalty? Remember we have to calculate the penalty.
Yes.
Maybe you do quickly. How long can we do? Let's calculate the penalty, row penalty. We call it row penalty. Row penalty. Then here column penalty. What's the row penalty?
1.
1. The second one?
5.
5. The third one?
2.
2. Here?
0.
0. And column 1?
7.
7. The zero have to consider, sister. This one consider.
15.
This one considered lowest. 15. Then
17.
17,
16.
16,
14.
14. Okay, which one to take? Highest penalty or lowest penalty?
Highest.
Highest highest penalty.
Seventeen.
Look at the lowest cost. Which 17 or 0 lowest cost?
0.
0. 0 is the lowest cost. So this 0 must be accounted for. Don't ignore this. So how many units to transport it to this one? Dummy can supply 180 and then B require 250.
180.
80.
180. So we supply 180. Then we recalculate. I think this one cannot supply anymore. Let's recalculate this one. This is the same 1. This is the same 5. The same 2. Okay. Now this one change. Okay, the last one. Can you this column A?
7.
7. Column B?
4.
4.
4.
4. D?
4.
4. Highest penalty?
7.
7. No. Where's the next lowest cost from here?
15.
15. So how many units are we going to transport here? 520 required. 520 can supply 310.
520.
520. Use as much as possible. 520. Okay. No need anymore. No need anymore. We are going to recalculate the the penalty. Okay, this one. 1. Agree? The first row 1, 1. Row 2, still 5. Row 3, still 2. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Row, this one no need. This is 4 also. This is 4. 18 minus 4. Okay, highest penalty?
5.
5. So, look at the lowest cost. Lowest cost somewhere here.
20.
20. 20. Why 20? 520. 610. 500. How many units to transport here?
90.
80.
90.
Yes.
90. 90 now cannot supply it anymore. So let's recalculate the index. The penalty is still 1. You no need. The second one, 2. 2. 2. Column penalty, column B.
4.
4. Column C.
12.
12. Column D.
4.
Still 4. Highest penalty?
12.
So lowest cost. No, this one cannot. 16, 30. You are left with 16. Can supply 340. Required 400. Yeah.
Why is it 12?
I made mistake. 14, is it? Should be 14. Oh, thank you, sister. 14. Thank you, sister. So still lowest cost here. How many units? Required 400. You already have 90.
310.
310. 310. So now I'm ready. Let's recalculate the penalty. Here's still 1. Here no need. Here 20. 21 minus 14. 5. Here no need. Here still 4. No need anymore. Here also 4. What's the highest penalty?
5.
5. Lowest cost?
14.
14. So how many units?
30.
30. 30. Now we are left with 2. Use logic. Use this one first. 300,
350.
350.
70.
70. Oh, by right, we should left, we are left 2. Okay, never mind. Here, you cannot supply anymore. There's something wrong here. 300.
It's correct.
Oh, correct. Okay, thank you, sister. Okay, done. So we have the idea. So now I just want to ask one more questions. How many units University B get? University B require 250, right? B require 250. How much actually this destination get?
70.
Only 70, because this is dummy, fictitious supplier. That means University B have to get supply of the computer from somewhere else. Okay, yeah, this I think you can use MODI method. Okay, we are done. Just in time. So can we end our day?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, our day now. On Wednesday, do we have class? No class, right? Wednesday.
No.
So wish you all Eid Mubarak. Enjoy yourself. Okay, let's end our day with the recitation of Suratul As. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal as innal insana lafus ila lazina amanu. Thank you very much, brother, sisters. See you after Hari Raya. Eid
Thank you.
Mubarak. Welcome.
Selamat Hari Raya.
Thank you,
Raya.
Doctor.
Yeah, welcome.
Happy
Most
Eid.
welcome.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome. Eid
Thank you,
Mubarak.
Doctor.
Welcome.
Thank you, Doctor.
Selamat Raya, Happy Iftar.
Ya, Raya Happy Iftar tu. Ya,
Thank you,
welcome.
sir. Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat Raya to you too.
Jangan main macam
Okay. Okay, I end now. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.